It is Saturday afternoon, July 1st, 2023 at the Illinois Railway Museum, Union, Illinois. That looked like an EMD SW1 coming by Commonwealth Edison at the Illinois Railway Museum, helping to celebrate the 70th anniversary. And actually, the celebration is an electric parade of 72 pieces of electric equipment, but happily we also have now had an EMD. We've now had an EMD diesel in the parade, kinda. Guess he's going down to switch some of the electric parade equipment. He's going to the toward the town of Union West. The Illinois Railway depot is behind me, built in 1851 for the Joliet and Chicago Union Railroad, then became the Chicago Northwestern Railway Marengo, Illinois depot. And now the sign on the depot here at the Illinois Railway Museum in Union, Illinois says East Union. Again, Saturday afternoon, July 1st, 2023, Illinois Railway Museum, Union, Illinois, over and out.